Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Today we are celebrating the beautiful spirit of Christmas with creative decoration crafts. Christmas is a time of love, happiness, and sharing joy with family and friends. And handmade decorations make this season even more special and meaningful. When we create decorations with our own hands, we add our personal touch to the celebration. Every small craft shows creativity and love. Simple materials can turn into beautiful Christmas art. Christmas crafts are not only decorations, they are also memories. When you make them with family, the moments becomes more precious. These small activities bring hearts closer together. You don't need expensive things to create amazing Christmas decorations. Paper, jute rope, bottle ribbons, and simple lights can look wonderful. Creativity is more important than cost. A handmade decoration always feels warmer than a strong bought item. It shows patience and effort. When a guest see it, they admire the beauty of your work. Christmas crafts also help us relax and reduce stress. When your hands are busy creating something beautiful, your mind feels calm. Crafting is a peaceful and joyful activity. Try making stars, wreaths, candle holders, and small Christmas trees. These simple crafts can make your home look magical. Even the smallest decoration can change the atmosphere. Using natural materials like jute, wood sticks, and dried flowers gives decoration a rustic and elegant look. These crafts look simple but very charming. Nature always adds beauty. And handmade crafts also teach us patience. Sometimes a craft needs time and careful work, but the final result always brings satisfaction and happiness. You can decorate your living room windows, door the tables with handmade crafts. Every corner of your home can shine with Christmas spirit. Small decorations make a big difference. Crafting is also a wonderful activity for children. Kids enjoy cutting, painting, and decorating. It helps them learn creativity and confidence. Remember, friends, that perfection is not necessary. Even simple crafts can look beautiful. What matters most is the love behind the creation. Christmas decorations remind us about kindness and sharing. The festival teaches us to spread happiness. Handmade crafts are a lovely way to express that feeling. You can also recycle old items to make decorations. Old jars, bottles, and cardboard can become amazing crafts. This saves money and protects the environment. A mason jar with lights, a flower can become a beautiful centerpiece. These crafts look elegant and peaceful. They add a warm glow to the room. All ideas is very creative and beautiful and lovely. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and assalamu alaikum.